One of the things that we find is that people tend to think about going smaller when they're struggling with the capacity to figure out how to go bigger or how to execute it if they were to go. And that usually happens because they're taking a very stepwise approach. We're going to do this thing or we're going to do this thing. We hear the word all the time, one thing at a time. That can be great. And that often works if that's what everybody is used to because they all fall in line. But if you start to imagine that feature and then you realize, well, we're going to do that feature, we need to do this other feature at the same time. So to be specific, we have this in our software all the time. We've just developed our first piece of software. We're in the middle of our second piece right now. All the time we realize that there are 8 features that are on the way to the one. We use our ability to think this through for other organizations, for ourselves. We say, okay, how do we head towards that bigger picture outcome all at once? And how do we line up all of the pieces to happen simultaneously and then have it step along so that it isn't overwhelming for us?